Hi everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can switch accounts on Discord from the mobile phone. So what you have to do is just open the Discord app first, and once you've done that, just hit the bottom right corner icon with your profile picture and scroll down once you've until you find this option right here, logout, and just click logout. Before that, just make sure you remember your username or email address you're using on this account and password in order for you to log back in to this Discord account, and just hit logout. So as you can see right now, we have this option right here, register or login. Just press the login button and put in your email or phone number for the other account and the password as well. And now you can log in into your new Discord account. So this is all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this.